In this Crowdgen review, I'm going to be showing you if you can really help AI and make money with this platform. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Crowdgen is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. So Crowdgen is basically a remote working job portal in which you can get a lot of jobs and you can do these jobs and get paid for every hour that you spend. So Crowdgen is by appen. So Crowdgen has been, appen has been rebranded itself to Crowdgen. So recently they have rebranded this website so this is by appen. If you don't know appen is also a website which offers a lot of job which can help AI become more advanced, and in that way they will pay you as well. So that's how it works. You're going to be getting a lot of job here. Yes, it's a very good website. I have personally seen people making money in this website, so it's a good website. The cool thing is that there's almost 1 million people that are doing remote work, and there's almost 265 language and also 170 countries, which is great. The cool thing about it is just that it is worldwide. So most website like this, they mainly focus on the US, Canada, UK, maybe Germany. So countries like this. So for this specific website, there's almost 170 countries, and so that's actually a plus side for this website. So let me just show you. So you have to press on this, and you can see that you will be redirected to a page like this. So there's a lot of jobs. So if you look at the countries: Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, Germany, Norway, Sweden, UAE, then Norway, then you have Kazakhstan, then you have Poland, United States, then Ireland, United Kingdom. So all these countries, so there are tons of countries. So it doesn't matter where you're from the world, you will most likely get a job in Crowdgen. So if you do the location, you can find which one you said you can do on-site, hybrid and remote. So for most people, I believe if you're watching this video, I think you're looking for a remote job, so you can click on remote. So you can see a lot of remote jobs. So 90% of all the jobs are remote, and if you want to select your location, maybe if you're from Indonesia, let's try Indonesia. So for Indonesia, there's like 2 jobs, so that's not a lot of job for Indonesia. So we have 2 jobs. So the first job is Indonesian speaker specialist something. Let's go to that. So your key responsibility is to listen to audio files and review transcription for accuracy, then identify and label speakers and speaker turns by adding timestamps. So this is the compensation that you're going to be getting, and you're going to be getting almost $36 for an hour that you work. So it relatively plays a bit high. Let's see some other countries as well. Now let's look at maybe India. So India have 3 jobs. So let's look at social media evaluator here. So it's looking for a Hindi worker, I think. The key requirements must be currently located in India, be fluent in Hindi and have proficiency in English as well, must be able to provide your valid social media profile, then you must have an educational degree. So all of these are factors that are really easy. So most of them can actually do these jobs. These jobs doesn't require a huge sort of work. These jobs can be done by anywhere, anytime, by anyone in the world, and it pays about $2 an hour, which is actually less, but in India people usually get like really low paid. So but it's okay. Now let's check one more country and we'll wind it up. Let's see, Mexico. So Mexico also have like 2 jobs. See, it's search evaluation project participant. The person needs to know Spanish as well. Okay, then you need an Apple ID, you need an email, you need an iOS device, you need a laptop or PC. So most people have the requirement, which is cool, and you're going to be getting paid $2.29 for every hour. So that's cool. So if you would ask me how much you can be making with a website like Crowdgen, I am guessing you're going to be making anywhere around maybe $5 to up to $15. So that's the average amount of money that you can be making with Crowdgen every single hour. But yes, there are some jobs that pay you up to $20, $30, even up to $50 for every hour that you do, but it's going to be really rare, and you will be required to have excellent or outstanding skills in order to get a job like that. But for the most part, people are going to be making $5 to up to $15. So it's not a lot of money. It's not going to quit your full-time income or anything like that. You might make some money here and there. Maybe if you spend about like 3 to 4 hours every day, maybe you're making like $5 or $10 per hour. So you're going to be roughly making about $40 if you equate that to 30 days or maybe even 20 days. It's not a lot of money. It's anyway under $1,000, which is not a lot of money. So it's not going to quit your full-time job or anything like that. So that's basically it for Crowdgen. There are some cons. So usually when you apply for a lot of jobs, you get barely lucky. You might not get accepted for the job. Even if you are a qualified person, you might not get accepted for the job. So that's kind of like a downside of Crowdgen. So overall, this website is good, but the chances of you getting a job is also kind of hard. You need to have the required skill as well. So that's basically it for this video. But if you're here looking for a way to make big money online in the remote work itself, this is going to probably make you about $500 to $1,000 if you get selected for the job. But if you're here to make a little bit more money, which can actually quit your full-time income, maybe make up to $5,000 to up to $10,000 per month, obviously it's going to take you some time. You need to spend about like 1 to 2 hours per day. If you're looking for the strategy to make money about $5,000 to $10,000 per month, you need to click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide, and in that way you can reach your financial goals. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video.